बेंगलुरु में प्रवासी राजस्थानी संगम की धूम है। तमाम जो प्रवासी राजस्थानी उनसे बातचीत कर रहे हैं और सुना रहे हैं कि कितने एक्साइटेड वो हैं इस कार्यक्रम को लेकर। मुख्यमंत्री आने वाले हैं इसको लेकर, और इसी के साथ बेंगलुरु में भी कुछ लोग हैं वो मौजूद है हमारे साथ। एवन स्टील ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज के प्रेसिडेंट है NM राजेंद्रन जी। मोस्ट वेलकम जी राजस्थान में, आपका बहुत स्वागत है। माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ आर यू फीलिंग दैट इन बेंगलुरु यू आर सीइंग मिनी राजस्थान?
Yeah, well, this Rajasthan Association have created a good platform for us to interact with a lot of industries. No, now I'm here for last 1 hour. What I could understand is that most of the Rajasthanis are from different industries. So I could get well connected because I was also more into chemicals, pharmaceutical, steel and other business. So it's easy for us to get connected with all the people. And A1 Gold is also a primary integrated steel plant. So we manufacture rebars and MS pipes, GP pipes. It's a company doing around $500 million. We started during the recession period. Sunil Kumar Jalan and Sandeep Kumar Jalan, the Jalan brothers, or the steel brothers who started during the recession period. So now they do a volume of 1 million tons with $500 million and getting into public issue maybe another few months. They have created a well good impact here. So we are also looking out for some venture capitalists and good investors. So this is a platform for us to really interact with a lot of people, and whatever needs what we require, I think it will be fulfilled. And it's a very important and interesting event for us to really interact with a lot of people. And of course the ministers also come all the way from Rajasthan. We have a meeting with them also, and that will really make us to make inroads and dent and lots of investment, because our product is also well niche products, well accepted, and we have been supplying to various government projects, and this will help us to foray into various projects. So it's a very interesting event in total. Yes.
Okay. Have you ever been to Rajasthan? Have you ever eaten dal bati churma?
No. I'm basically from Chennai. I have traveled to different destinations and I've been to various countries. I should make a trip to Rajasthan because Rajasthan people are very good in business. My previous employees are also hail from Rajasthan. They have to power plants, they have to pharma business. So any business for this matter, Rajasthanis, they perform very well, and especially the calculations are fantastic. No? So they're very gutsy and very courageous people, and it's very interesting to work with them. And I also worked with them for more than several decades. No? So I learned a lot of things from them to carry out the business, how to explore new options. Yeah.
Yes, I can understand. It's really very good for all of you. तो ये इन्वेस्टर हैं और इन लोगों के लिए बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि जो हम बात करते हैं नॉर्थ और साउथ को कनेक्ट करने की, वो कनेक्शन कहीं ना कहीं इन इन्वेस्टर्स को भी मिल पा रहा है। कैमरा पर्सन देव के साथ प्रतिज्ञा ठाकुर, जी राजस्थान बेंगलुरु। राजस्थान मौजूद है, तस्वीरें लगातार प्रवासी राजस्थानी संगम के आपको दिखा रहे हैं, और इसी बीच खास मेहमान हमारे साथ एक बार फिर जुड़ गए हैं।